Hello, welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I've been working on a Commodore 64, and it does seem the video chip is bad, but this is not the video chip. This is one of the ROM chips. I suspect it's the character generator ROM. It is 901225.01. What is that noise now? Okay, I've had this on for a while. I don't know what that sound is. Anyway, I did want to show what it was that was going on with this 901225.01 that is definitely bad. And how can I be sure that it's the bad chip? Well, right now it's on one of the diagnostic things. I'm going to quickly and efficiently turn this off. I'm going to pop out the bad SID chip, which I know is bad. And I'm going to pop in a good, little bent on the pin, little bent on the pin. Not much, but just a little bit bent. I'm going to pop this other ROM chip back in. I'm going to turn it on, and we should see that it comes up just fine. It does. So there. That's a bad chip. That's a bad chip. And I'm going to now put in, because this was also doing weird things before with the other power supply, I'm going to swap back in what should be a working SID chip and let it run through the diagnostics, and it should be fine. So, as I was saying, there's a lot of bad things. A lot of bad things. Bad SID chip, bad VIC chip, and the bad, which I suspect is the character ROM, 901225.01. So they will all go momentarily into the bad bag of bad chips. There we go. There's our little SID chest. Indeedy, so that works. So, yes. So what I need to do now is resurrect the machine that I fix things with. Now what I may end up doing, what I might, see the VIC chip, the VIC2 chip, a pin got bent. So maybe I'll not take that one back out. Maybe I won't. Anyway, I will rebuild the other one somehow so I have it ready to test things with. Right now, I don't know if you can see this. There's a bad SID chip. There's a bad VIC chip. And there is what I think is the character ROM. There they are. So I'm going to get out, reach down, find the bag that holds bad chips. Throw them in. There, they're gone. Dun 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 dun. Anyway, so that is the view of the Retro Rewind diagnostic, the 4-in-1. Don't worry about the things that come up bad. I don't have the harness attached because I can't find my harness. I need to talk to the Retro Rewind people about that. So I'll see what I can find. And yeah, so I have to put back together the test machine and have it so I can test things. There we are. I do. And update the data card here. Anyway, thanks for coming. lovely, lovely, lovely day. David Bradley in the TV room. I'm your host. Bye for now.